So it's May 27th, 9 a.m., and this hive that I just went into yesterday had a piping virgin queen. And I do believe these girls are swarming. I was hoping they weren't because there was a supersedure cell, but I don't know if you can see it, but the sky is just buzzing with bees. You can just hear them going. And that's the front entrance right there. Now, if we watch this, maybe we'll get lucky and see them fall into a tree or somewhere. Or ball into a tree. But, damn it. Well, at least I saw it. And I know what's going on. You usually see them go out in a cloud, I think. There's some orientation flights. Maybe they're not going. I don't know. That looks like a swarm to me. I mean, there's just, the sky is just got bees everywhere. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, well, if they cluster somewhere, I don't have any swarm traps out, of course.
Yeah.
It seems to have dissipated, so I think we just caught it because now the sky is calmed. There's still some bees orienting around the hive, but they're not in the sky anymore. Let's see. They're still kind of buzzing around. I know it's really hard to see, sorry guys. You can still hear them. I wonder if they went up in that maple. I think they're up in that maple up there, because I can hear them. But I can't see them. Alright, so they're at the top of that maple tree, which is about 40 feet up. I don't see a cluster, but I can definitely see them buzzing. Way at the top there. So that was cool. That was my first swarm. I mean, seeing it. I mean, it's not cool because those are my bees, but it's pretty cool to see. They're kind of just swirling in formation up there. Not yet clustered yet.
Oh, I see kind of.
Do you see them?
Some of them.
So 10 minutes later, things are much quieter. It's as if nothing happened. Way at the top there, there's just a little cluster of, a little bit of buzzing there. So I'm imagining the cluster's right up there, even though I can't see them. Right up there. Can you see them? I have to get my binoculars and see if I can see the cluster. So I think I can see the cluster. It's not that big. It's the tip of that branch there. I bet that yellow queen's right up in there. Dang it.